Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable active role assist in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. First, open settings by pressing the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen, go to keyboard and mouse menu, and then select movement tab at the top of your screen, scroll down to active role assist option and change the off value to either partial or always. The partial active role assist will assist you when the fall will result in dying in game, and always will assist you when you're dropping from a height that would result in damage. So just select the option that you need, and once you select the option that you need, the changes will be applied automatically, so you can just leave this menu. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.